But don't worry, folks, though it looks like we're traveling through the jaws of Monstro the whale, the very same whale that swallowed Pinocchio, we're actually being transported to a magical world called Storybook Land. And of course our story begins with once upon a time, and in this case a big bad wolf whose cave is coming up on our left. He's always after those three little pigs, but luckily they live across the way in those three houses, one made of straw, one made of sticks, and one made of guaranteed wolf-proof bricks. And now our story takes a strange turn, for coming up on our left is a quaint English village that's home to Alice, where one golden afternoon she followed the white rabbit down the rabbit hole and fell down, down, down into Wonderland, where things became curiouser and curiouser from there. Storybook Land is full of enchanting places created